Hi, my name is Jordan Balin. I'm with Staub. I've been with the company for 4 or 5 years now, and we're going to take a look at our metal fabricating and our processes that we do here. So here we have a wire EDM drill. Allows us for small hole drilling applications in hardened material. Here we have another tool that we have in our arsenal, which would be a wire EDM machine with a 4-axis capability. And last we have our sinker EDM with a 20-pocket automatic tool change. We also have several other metal fabrication machines, including an Omax 80X water jet, which can cut virtually any shape or thickness, an Amada F1 laser, which allows accurate metal cutting at high speeds, and a Behringer cold saw that is designed for high-speed cutting with close tolerances.